Hey everybody, sorry I'm not going to be able to be with you on Friday afternoon. I just wanted to make a quick video to go over directions for class on Friday. Please make sure that you are accessing the work in Google Classroom and that you log into Zoom to have attendance taken at the start of the block. I will be putting out the Zoom codes as soon as I get them. So as you can see on the agenda, we're going to do a quick background. It's going to be a self-paced pear deck, and then you're going to spend the majority of the block watching a documentary on your own. So if you go over to Google Classroom, you're going to see I put an assignment. It's labeled work for 122. So there should be no surprises there. And it has a link to a self-paced pear deck, just a few intro slides about the country that we're going to be studying. And then there's an assignment called the Rick Steves Viewing Guide, and that is the documentary that you're going to be watching. And the viewing guide just has a space for you to write 10 interesting facts that you learned throughout the documentary, as well as a couple of reflection questions for you to do when you're done. I have put the due date as Monday morning before class starts, so if you do need some more time over the weekend, you are welcome to that. But if you use your time appropriately, you should be able to finish all of this during the class block today, and just make sure you get that turned in on Google Classroom. So again, if you are watching this before class on Friday, please make sure you look for the Zoom ID and login information for our guest teacher. Log in to have your attendance taken, and then you can work on this self-paced pear deck and the viewing guide for Rick Steves. If you have any questions or concerns, please email me, and I will be checking email tomorrow afternoon so I can get back to you before the weekend if you have any questions. Other than that, have a fabulous weekend, and I will see you on Monday.